Do you sometimes feel like it's hard to make people trust you? Do you want to learn how to make people always trust you? It can be frustrating when it seems like no matter what you do, people just won't open up and trust you. But what if there was a way to ensure that people always trusted you? The answer lies in the power of dark psychology. Dark psychology is the study of how to use psychological techniques to secretly control and influence people. By understanding how the human mind works, you can use subtle and socially acceptable methods to make people trust you. Dark psychology can be used for many purposes, but the most important is to build trust. By understanding the psychology of trust, you can use certain techniques to make people more likely to believe in you and your ideas. This could be anything from using the right words to creating an aura of trustworthiness. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 dark psychology tactics to make people trust you. Don't use this information to hurt or manipulate others. By the end of this video, you will discover the 10 secret techniques to make people trust you. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. 10. Be consistent in your words and actions. People always seem to trust those who are consistent in their words and actions. What is the secret to being consistently trustworthy? The first step to using dark psychology to build trust is consistency in your words and actions. People will quickly lose faith in you if you say one thing and then do another. For example, if you tell someone you'll do something then fail to follow through, they will not trust you as much. Every time you speak and act, ensure that your words and behaviors align with each other. By being consistent, you will demonstrate reliability and credibility, both of which are essential components of trust. Number 9. Show vulnerability and openness. Have you ever felt like someone wasn't being genuine with you? It's an uncomfortable feeling. The best way to build trust and make people feel comfortable with you is to be vulnerable and open. Show people that you're comfortable with taking risks and sharing your thoughts and feelings. Ask questions that invite people to open up and be willing to share your own experiences and stories. Being vulnerable and open demonstrates that you're trustworthy and can be relied upon. This will create a deep connection and help to build trust quickly. Number 8. Communicate effectively. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an uncanny ability to get others to trust them immediately? Dark psychology can be used to communicate effectively and make people trust you. By understanding the psychological principles behind persuasion and influence, you can learn how to use them to your advantage. For example, using certain rhetorical questions can make people more interested in you and your message. Additionally, demonstrating that you understand their perspective can create an atmosphere of trust and openness. By understanding the power of dark psychology, you can become a master of communication and create powerful connections. Also, by understanding how people think and behave, you can craft persuasive messages that will get people to take action and trust you. Number 7. Be reliable and dependable. Have you ever wished you had someone you could rely on? Someone who is trustworthy and dependable? Someone who will always be there when you need them? If so, you're not alone. Reliability and dependability are essential qualities that people look for in friends, family, and co-workers. It's important to be reliable if you want people to trust and rely on you. Being reliable means showing up when you say you will, following through on your commitments, and being honest and open about your intentions. It also means having a positive attitude and not giving up when things get tough. If you want to prove your dependability to others, it's important to be consistent and reliable in all aspects of your life. Number 6. Be empathetic and understanding. Have you ever felt like you were misunderstood or not heard? It can be a frustrating and disheartening feeling. That's why it's so important to be empathetic and understanding when trying to build trust. It shows that you are listening, caring, and willing to put yourself in someone else's shoes. It means recognizing that everyone has their own unique experiences, opinions, and emotions, and respecting them. It also means being honest, open, and understanding of the other person's feelings. Showing empathy and understanding will help build trust and make people feel like they can open up to you. So take the time to really listen and ask questions if you need clarification. Be patient and understanding, and you'll be on your way to building a trusting relationship. Number 5. Tell them a secret. Is there a surefire way to make people trust you? Yes, telling people a secret about you. Secrets can be thought of as a currency of trust. When someone shares something personal and intimate with another, it is an act of trust. This trust can be a powerful force in developing relationships. In addition, when people share secrets, it creates an environment of safety and understanding. Sharing secrets also helps to build trust because it shows that you are willing to be vulnerable and open with another person. This type of vulnerability can make people feel seen and heard, which can foster connection and trust. So, if you want to build trust with someone, why not start by telling them a secret? Number 4. Demonstrate integrity. Have you ever wondered how to demonstrate integrity? Integrity is a quality all people should strive for. It is the foundation of trust and respect in any relationship. Integrity involves being honest, reliable, and ethical. Integrity means having the courage to do the right thing despite personal costs. It means always speaking the truth, even when it's not easy or popular. It also means being consistent in your decisions and actions and taking responsibility for your mistakes. To demonstrate integrity, start by making small commitments and following through. Refrain from gossiping, lying, or manipulating people. Be open to new ideas and respect others' opinions. Finally, stay true to your values and don't compromise your principles for personal gain. Integrity is the key to building relationships and gaining the trust of others. Showing integrity can be difficult, but it's worth it in the long run. After all, people will only trust you if you demonstrate integrity. Number 3. Show respect for others. Respect is an important aspect of relationships, whether they're with family, friends, or colleagues. When you show respect, you build a trusting environment, which is important for any relationship that lasts. So, how can you show respect? First, be considerate and listen to what others have to say. Ask questions to show that you're interested in their ideas and opinions. Show appreciation for their contributions to the conversation and be open to compromise if needed. Secondly, respect the boundaries of others. Everyone has different values and beliefs, and it's important to respect those. Don't push your own opinions onto someone else and don't take advantage of their kindness. Finally, think before you speak. Unkind words can hurt someone's feelings, so make sure that you are speaking in a respectful, constructive way. Number 2. Be transparent. One of the best ways to make people trust you is by being transparent. Transparency means being open and honest with your people. It means that you don't hide anything from them and that they can trust the information they receive from you. Being transparent can help your people understand who you are, what you stand for, and why they should trust you. When you're transparent, people can see that you're genuine and not just trying to manipulate them. They know you're being truthful and can trust that your intentions are pure. Number 1. Do something nice for them. The best way to earn someone's trust: do something nice for them. From doing small tasks like running errands for them or making them dinner, to larger gestures like planning a surprise party or helping them with a project, doing something nice can truly show someone that you care. Also, it doesn't have to be extravagant. A thoughtful gesture can go a long way. Offer a helping hand when you can, give compliments, listen to their problems, or simply be there for them. With these simple gestures, you'll be well on your way to creating trust and building stronger relationships. Final thoughts. The purpose of this video was to show you how to make people always trust you by using dark psychology techniques. We hope that you are able to better understand how to build trust with people in various situations. Remember that trust is an important factor in any relationship, so use it wisely and ethically. Now, leave an honest answer in the comment section below. Which technique did you like the most? We would love to hear from you. Now you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you why you should stop chasing a specific person and what to do instead. Make sure you watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.